Hey there, and welcome to this quick and helpful tutorial. If you're using the Trivago app on your Android phone and want to change the language, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through simple steps to update both the language and country settings in just a minute. First, open the Trivago app on your Android device. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll and tap on the option labeled Language. After that, you'll see a list of available languages. Choose the language you want to use in the app. Now, once you've selected your language, you'll also be asked to select your country. This helps Trivago provide more accurate travel results. Finally, tap on the Confirm button. The app will prompt you to restart. Just reopen the app, and the new language settings will be applied. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language and country settings in the Trivago app. If this video helped you, consider subscribing for more tech tips and app tutorials. Thanks.